love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high.
Okay, this hair is from BGMgirl Hair. This is what their packaging looks like. You guys, I have been seeing a lot of their videos all over TikTok, and the young ladies who have been, you know, reviewing their wigs. They all look really good. So I was not nervous at all to try this hair company. So let me just go ahead and give you guys the rundown of the packaging. There's some lashes in here, edge band, edge brush, wig cap, and a bonnet, as well as a dust bag all inside there. So they are another one of those hair companies who has been making these glueless wear and go wigs. This one in particular, the cap construction on it is a 4x6 lace closure wig. Not any difference from a 5x5 or 6x6. I'm not sure why they choose to do like the odd end, like a 4x6 or a 5x9. To me, it doesn't really make that much of a difference at all. Features with this wig are no different from any of the other wear and go wigs that I have reviewed on my channel thus far. Knots are pre-plucked. The hairline is, the knots are pre-bleached. The hairline is pre-plucked. It has the elastic band on the inside. It can be worn 100% glueless. The only product that I have on this wig is just what I did with like the little bit of the baby hairs that I have out, which probably are crooked, but we'll just go ahead and ignore that for now. This wig is super affordable. It was $250, but then there was like a $30 off coupon, so I brought it down to $220. Even $250 for what it has to offer as far as it being pre-customized is not bad at all. But the fact that it's a little bit cheaper than that with the coupons, I keep telling y'all, do not forget to check the website to see what the current specials are, because it'll make an already affordable wig even more affordable. This wig did not come like this. It comes in its natural 1B off black color. However, I wanted to put this hair to the test and see if it can do what they claim, because not all hair bleaches well, takes the bleach at all. Not all hair, you know, takes dye very well. So when they say that it can be colored or dyed, that's not always the case. It just really depends on the hair company and whatever the quality of the hair is. So because they say that this hair can be bleached or dyed, I did exactly both of those things. So I did a bleach bath on this hair initially. After I did the bleach bath, then I went in and dyed it and threw these two colors on top of it, and I did the watercolor method to do that. If you guys aren't familiar with the watercolor method, I will link my video down below that I did on a tutorial. It's super quick, super simple. It's just an easier way of bleaching your hair. So in order to get this hair color after I did the bleach bath, and I didn't have to lift it to a super bright blonde either. I probably only let it sit in there for about 15 minutes. And then I went in with the Adore Cajun Spice and Cinnamon. So I used 1 bottle of each, and that is how I got this hair color. I'm just going to run my fingers through the hair just to show you guys kind of like the color dimension that I got. I didn't want it to be, you know, these two colors mixed together all over the entire wig. I wanted some parts to be light, some parts to be darker, because I kind of like that imperfect color look. So I am satisfied with the result. So that's all I did to this hair, was take it out of the box, bleach it, throw this color on it, and that's it. I didn't customize it. I didn't have to do anything. It literally came perfect as is. It's just that I haven't really been doing any colors with my wig, and like I said, because fall is coming up, I did want to do a more fall appropriate color, because here lately when I've been getting these wigs, because they already come flawless, I just be so thirsty to hurry up and put them on. I haven't really been dyeing them jet black. I just been leaving them in their natural color for the most part. So even with this hair being like, I guess you can say double processed as far as me bleaching it and then going over and dyeing it, it has held up very well. That's probably one of the main things, aside from how beautifully it came customized, that I'm very impressed with. The texture of the hair didn't change at all. Like, the hair didn't shed even more. It didn't tangle up on me. It didn't do anything out of the ordinary. So if you do plan on getting this wig and you want to go ahead and dye it for yourself, you guys have my stamp of approval to say that it is going to bleach or dye very effortlessly. Now, I know this is a straight wig, and straight hair oftentimes does not hold a curl. However, I'm going to just try it anyway.
Drop that thing so low, make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low, make you sit.
Okay, so it gave me a little bit of something, but for the most part, no, it does not hold a curl. Straight hair is not even really processed to be able to curl. It's just sometimes you get lucky and find that some of it does hold a curl, but it gave me a little bit of volume. So yeah, that's that. So with all of that being said, I do hope that you guys enjoyed this video. You guys, this is one of the ones where I'm going to put it in my top 5 recommendations for these wear and go glueless wigs. So far, I've given you guys 2 recommendations that are in my top 5. This is going to be the third one because it's affordable. The hair quality is amazing, and they bleached and plucked it to perfection. I feel like you will not be disappointed with this one. So I'm going to leave their link down below in my description box. So far with these glueless wear and go wigs in my top 5, I have already given you guys 2 recommendations. Like I said, if you're not already caught up or been watching any of my previous reviews, I encourage you guys to go check those out when you get a chance. This one I'm going to have to go ahead and add to my top 5, so that will make 3 recommendations that I have for you guys that I highly recommend. This one is super affordable for what it has to offer as far as the quality of the hair after being dyed, how the hairline came, how the knots were bleached to perfection. I have literally no complaints with this hair at all. So with all that being said, if you guys have any questions, don't forget to leave them down below. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.